Welcome to English learning class. In this video, I'm going to teach 9 tips to learn English. Tip number 1. Read regularly. Books, articles, and newspapers can help expand vocabulary and understanding of sentence structure. Tip number 2. Listen to English. Podcasters, audiobooks, and English language videos improve listening skills and pronunciation. Tip number 3. Practice speaking. Join conversation groups or practice with friends to build confidence and fluency. Tip number 4. Write daily. Keep a journal, write essays, or participate in online competitions to improve writing skills. Number 5. Learn new words. Make a habit of learning and using a few new words every day. Tip number 6. Engage in online communications. Participate in English speaking forums, social media groups, or language exchange websites. Tip number 7. Set goals. Set specific measurable goals for your English learning progress. Tip number 8. Immersive learning. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Label objects around your home, think in English, and try to immerse yourself in the language. Tip number 9. Review and revise. Regularly review what you have learned to reinforce your knowledge. Thanks for watching this video.